Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the axle, putting that together, getting the brakes on, and we also are planning on removing the bed so we can get the frame cleaned up and painted. Okay guys, believe it or not, this is actually really tricky the first time, trying to figure out how to put this all together, the new springs and everything. But we managed to get her together. Thanks again, Dad, for all your help. Okay, so we got the bed off. Now we're just got to clean up this frame, get it painted, so we can change our axle, put the bed back on, and then we should be done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.